So this is a pretty big Dior haul, and everything that I'm going to show is from the Jonathan Anderson line. This will be the first unboxing ever that I do on my channel. Typically I like to do my unboxings by myself, but this time he will have the reaction and everything else. Granted, I already saw the bag, but I want to unbox this with you. I love the charm, the star charm. I will be keeping that because it does say Dior. And how cute is that, right? I can use that for the Christmas time too. That is so precious. Oh my god. Okay, box number one. I did buy a few things. I did not only buy a new bag, but also a few little bits. I have the card of my sales associate, which she was great, and my Dior receipt payment. Oh my god, here it is. Oh my god, nothing in this world is better than this, besides going to New York City, you guys. The tissue paper does say Dior very subtly, and there is a sticker as well, so I will be delicate. I don't know why I'm doing delicate stuff. Oh my god. Okay, of course, you know this is a Lady Dior. Okay. Stunner, stunner. What a cute, beautiful baby. Okay, how cute. Of course, this is the mini size. I don't like the micro. I don't like the medium that much, at least not for now. I did like the small. I found out I do like the small. It's just I don't like the strap. But how incredible. Okay, so this color is called, I'll just put it on the screen. It's kind of like, it's not like the white color, but it's more like a latte. I think it's what she said. And I tried on so many colors. There was a couple of different pink colors available. I also looked at gold colors. There was 2 gold colors that I loved. But why I bought this color, because I predominantly in summer, I love wearing a lot of neutral colors, whites, yellows now. I love wearing blacks. I love wearing navy colors, and I just feel like this color matches pretty decently and predominantly my wardrobe. And not only that, but it definitely does match this color very closely to a new pair of shoes that I got recently, which I will be wearing this loads. Okay, so let me just take this apart. And I don't think I'm gonna get a twilly. I'm not a huge twilly person. Oh, look at the cute little bow. You know, I didn't think I was gonna be into the bow until I saw it in person, obviously. So I will take these out later. And then there's a filler. Okay, this is very important to have the authenticity card. It has barcode and people can scan it. And then there's a little book here for the care of the bag. And this is very important because if you're going to buy this bag or any Dior bag in the resale market and any of these websites, they have to give you this. Some of them don't, and I find that kind of shady. They have to give you the card. So I just want you to be aware of that if you have never bought one of these bags before and you're thinking of buying a bag, but then the color you want is only available in resale. But this is the chain. Of course, this is the main selling point, the strap, which is a chain. And I love the hardware because it's a champagne color. I just love that, you guys. The other reason why I love this size is because of the flap, and the small size also has a flap. And this is the inside. It has a little zipper inside, so it does not fit in a iPhone Pro Max. It just doesn't fit. It fits kind of like diagonally, and it does stick out, which do with that information what you will, but I am pretty happy, of course. So I will talk about the color in a moment. let's go to box number 2. So precious. Of course I'm keeping all these boxes. Okay, so this is a bag charm, I have to say. I saw all the options. I saw all the SLGs, and out of everything, in addition, like as far as accessories goes, card holders, passport holders, all that, little wallets and bits, other bag charms, this is the one that I picked. Oh my god, isn't this just precious? This is just precious. I had to have something pink. This pink is a perfect pink color, and I like this pink tone because it's a cool tone pink as well, and I love that. And the reason why I picked this charm specifically is because it does have a mirror, and I just love this because what I can do is remove this leather strap eventually, and I can just put this in my bag and just carry it in any clutch, any bag, and now I have a small mirror pretty much, and I can just pull this, yeah, and just kind of like apply my lipstick, right? Really cute. But isn't this the cutest charm in ever? Okay, so here's the thing. My plan is to carry this charm actually inside this bag. I know that sounds a bit kind of like, what are you doing? But the thing is that, look at the scale. So that is huge. Unless what I was thinking is to remove the strap, and then since it has a little space there to put a little hook on here, on the main part, I can hook a piece of hardware and make it a bag charm. That way it's smaller and it doesn't have kind of like that strap. But I can also wear this with other bags, like bigger bags. I do have a Louis Vuitton bag that is a tote. It is huge, and I can wear it with that as well, which I can show you in a different video. I think it's one of the first bags I ever bought here, like luxury, and I posted on YouTube. But oh my god, isn't this so precious? Ah! Stop. And I'm not done yet. I do have 2 more items to talk about. So I did get a new lipstick, and with the lipstick cover. So first of all, how precious is this? I actually love this packaging, and it's all silver. Just my kind of detail. I love silver, you guys. So this is the color, which it is the color that I'm wearing right now. Yeah. I love this color, and I will put the color here because I have to look for it. And I threw away the packaging, I believe. So this is the cute cover that I got for my lipstick. And this is also from the Jonathan Anderson collection, which has the cute, pretty flowers. So cute. And also it has little birdies, but the birds are white, if you can see that. That is so cute. I feel like this is just precious. And then after I received it, I was like, do I really need the cover? Because I really am in love with the silver, and I like the silver so much. But this is just like a historical thing like from Jonathan Anderson, so I am definitely gonna keep it. Now quickly, I will show you these 2 because these are not new, but it's just like, this is what I'm wearing right now. And then I have a last item, and then so this is the blush from Dior called Cherry. So this is what I'm wearing today, which I am in love with this color. Love this color. And then on top of my lipstick, I'm wearing this lip oil. Guess what? They gave me champagne to go. Stop. Oh right, I'm not done yet either. I have more stuff here. So I asked for a discreet bag, so I bought this bag from the Dior Boutique and Nordstrom. So I do have one more thing in there. Oh my god. So they gave me a Moet champagne mini, and I'm going to open it right now, of course. So it is chilled, obviously. The moment of truth. Success. Dior and Moet, perfect combination, you guys. I love a bubbly. Oh my god, so good. Oh, what is this? Oh, I remember. Oh my god, I remember now. I got the eye cream. So this is what I got, which this is definitely a selling point. I am starting to get a lot of kind of like dark circles. Yeah, so this can help a lot, you guys. Granted, I put serum around my eyes every night and moisturizer, but this is going to be perfection. But I can also use this tip with other skincare things and serums that I've got here. So this is perfection, you guys. I'm excited to use this. How cute is this star, by the way? Now I will be talking about why I chose this color in particular. So if you've been watching my other videos, I talk about like smart buying and buying for longevity instead of for quantity or to impress anybody. I mean, I'm the type of person that I just don't need to show off, impress anybody. Absolutely not. So I am buying strategically, and I know that this is just an evergreen color for me. I will be able to wear this like for like an infinite amount of times. I was able to visualize like different types of places that I can wear this to, and just many ideas came up. So this was a really great choice of a color. I did test a lot of different colors, but this was it for me, for sure. This was it. So I definitely walk the talk. I bought this bag for longevity. Strategically, it matches my shoes and my wardrobe. Yeah, this is a long haul type of bag. So pretty much this bag meets my checklist, you guys, because many fashion creators here on YouTube and in other platforms tell you what to buy, but very few teach you how to think before buying. The last thing I want to mention that I forgot is that this color is just perfect for everyday wear. That is the other reason why I chose this color, is because it's just like a casual color and it's like a daily color. I can wear this every day, and the color is simple but modern. By the way, this is the only handbag that I will make exceptions for. I love shoulder bags so much, but Lady Dior mini, I'll make an exception for you. By the way, the books displayed here on the back are from Megan Hess. I met her in New York last year and I went to her book signing, and I feel like I'm definitely getting that book. It is a book of color, and I think I'm gonna get it because I've been thinking about it a lot more this week, but I am really happy with the books that I've got. This one is about couture, and then this one is my New York book. But shout out to Megan Hess. Thank you everybody for watching this video. My next video is all about other bags that Dior has that I'm like eyeing. Subscribe to watch my videos every week. Subscribing really helps me, motivates me, and keeps me posting. Also, there's a new button called hype. Please hype my video, like, subscribe, send me kissy emojis. I love those. And see you on my next video. Bye.